What's going on? I know this is not what I'm seeing. I know this is not what I'm seeing right now. I just know. It's impossible. I mean, I see it, but I can't believe it. I can't believe it, seriously. That looks like Airto, seriously. Lisa Levy in Airto? Lisa didn't even tell me. She kept it a secret all this time. Wow. If that's him, the industry changes as of today, December 6th. It's going to be crazy. They're going to have a superpower house. Them two together, dangerous. Wow. The industry is really going to change. Big time. They're going to be putting out some great, great music together, man. It's going to be crazy. Wow. That's big. That's it for him. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. This guy's in the United States. Unfreaking believable. I can't believe it. Wow. I'm telling you, I'm booking a plane ticket probably in 3 weeks, or at least after New Year's. I'm booking it. I don't know how long he's going to be up here. But Lisa, I'm going to call you around 4 p.m. Today is the 6th. The time is now 5:19 in the morning. I'm beat. I'm tired. I just happened to turn on YouTube real quick, and I seen this. I was like, I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Seriously. Debonair 73, I have to say what's up to you. Ed Bassmaster, what's good? Smile, you see, Mad White Jamaican. What's going on? 7 whole days. But I can't believe this. People, if you only know, this right here is a major move right here. Major. Remember I tell you that. Anyway, I gotta call Lisa tomorrow. I mean today when I get up. I just can't believe it. Can't believe it. I'm surprised. It can't be, man. It's impossible. Wow, man, I can't believe it. That's all I gotta say. I just can't believe it. I'm booking a flight out there. You watch. I still can't be. I have to call. Seriously, 4 p.m. I'm calling.